All right, a quick one. I just want to give you an update from the office of DPM, Dr.Orabueze'S. She made a very important video passing message to Biafrans after the successful sit at home. In the day of February 2026, I think February 16, 2026, that is the date, being Monday sit at home, we all know the katakata disagreement and argument about sit at home. Some people have decided to end it by force. Some said those who used to tell you that you are forcing it are now forcefully telling you to stop, to come out. What an irony. Anyway, I don't want to waste much of your time. DPM, in her new video, because she opened a new YouTube channel, in case if you're not aware, DPM has opened a new YouTube channel that's a USB official platform. Okay, and in that platform, she made a very important video there. That is what we are here to share with you, in case if you're not aware, so you'll be aware. So you'll be aware of it, and you can now relate it and connect it to what is going on. Having said that, I think it is right time to listen to this video from beginning to the end. Okay.
Okay, greetings, Biafrans. Today is Monday, February the 16th, 2026.
Yeah.
My name is Dr.Orabueze'S, the Deputy Prime Minister and Chief of Staff to the United States of Biafra government, to the Biafra Republic government in exile, to the Biafra de facto in homeland, the current active leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, 80 million of us, until our Onyedu Nnamdi Kanu is out and our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa is out from the Nigerian terrorist dungeon. I want to use this opportunity to thank all Biafrans at homeland for maintaining the voluntary Monday sit at home, for preserving the voluntary Monday sit at home, which was a huge success. The reports on my table shows from Main Market Onitsha to the Aba Market, to the Calabar Market, to the Enugu Market, to the state of Anioma, to the state of Ikodo, all across to Aba, to Owerri, to Ebonyi, to the state of Eda. Huge success by Biafrans who has come out in their thousands, willingly staying at home, voluntarily. Thank you so much, Biafrans, for your resoluteness. It is your right to do so. No one has the power to force you to open your market on Mondays. It is the voluntary wish of Biafra people to continue to shut down their market until those 4 conditions are met, which is 1, the full exit of the Nigerian terrorist state that are forcefully occupying the sovereign state of the United States of Biafra, the release of our leader Onyedu Nnamdi Kanu, the release of our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, and the successful return of Biafrans scattered all over the world to their motherland peacefully. These conditions must be met. These are the conditions that have been set by Biafrans under the leadership of my humble self, Dr. Orabueze'S, the United States of Biafra cabinet, the 40 state governors and their commissioners, the stakeholders, the mission heads, and the envisioned elite squad. These are the people that currently represent the 80 million Biafrans, both at home and abroad. This is their wish, their will, that must be respected. At this point, I thank Biafrans. It was a successful Monday sit at home. Biafrans have shown the delegitimized Nigeria state, represented by Charles Soludo and the delegitimized Southeast governors, that we, the United States of Biafra cabinet, are the ones that are in charge of the 80 million Biafrans. We protect them. We secure them. We are the only people they trust at this time to lead them. All the others, all the rest of them have disappointed them. Starting from those that came out last week to say that our Onyendu, our lovely Onyendu, our leader Onyendu, has told them to cancel the sit at home. From all security information on my table, Onyendu Namdekanu never told them anything like that. That was the lie they formulate with the Nigerian state to stop the declaration, the protection of our motherland. And I'm very, very happy that the United States of the Biafra government and the cabinet, we came out and told Biafrans not to move. For that, which our onion do not the kind of sick, which our prime minister says sick, we already got it. And Biafrans, they heed to our call. They listen to us. They listen to me. And today, again, they've demonstrated that resoluteness, that willingness, and they voluntarily sat at home. All offices, all businesses, all banks, even the Nigeria police stations they are forcefully using in our land, all of them are shut down today in Biafra territory. That is the will of the people that must be respected. So, Biafrans, I just want to use this opportunity to thank all of you for what you've done, for rejecting those criminal elements that are colluding and working with the Nigerian state to forcefully to call off the Monday sit at home, which majority of Biafrans have agreed to be part of. Thank you for rejecting these people. Now you know they don't mean well. Now you know they don't represent the people. Now you know they don't represent Onyendu. They don't represent our prime minister. And they don't represent my humble self. Ask them, who are they working for? The only people they represent is the Nigerian state, whom we are kicking out of our territory. So anyone that comes to tell you, those that came out last week to say that our Onyendu Namdekanu have told them to sit at home, these, all of them, are the agents of the Nigerian state, and we will treat them as that. The only leadership that Biafrans know that is protecting them, and we came out to let you all know that Onyendu Namdekanu did not say anything like that. Is me, is the United States of Biafra government. We will continue to protect our people. We will continue to make Biafra territory a safe and secure land for our people, where we will not be a second-class citizens. Our independence has been declared. We are a sovereign nation that was declared on November 29, 2024 in Latin Finland. We have the 40 state administrators that are putting things in place to secure our land. Nigeria must leave Biafra territory. They are not allowed to be in Biafra territory as we speak. The Biafra people continue to reject Nigeria by continuing to voluntarily sit at home and work from Tuesday to Sunday if you wish. This is the wish of the people. Thank you so much, Biafrans. On that note, I'm just going to sing a short song to thank you all for what you've done today, for again delegitimizing Nigeria and legitimizing the United States of Biafra cabinet as propagated by our Prime Minister Simon Eba and our Onyendu Namdekanu. The song goes like this. Ahụrụ m onye iche ike gwụrụ n'ụzọ ya, ọ na-eji ije ya n'ọlịlanya, wee jụọ ya ihe karịrị mmụọ ya, ọ sịrị n'ọlịlanya dị ngọzi. Maniru ya ka egosiri ọtụtụ nsogbu na echiche, wee jụọ ya ihe kpaliri mmụọ ya, ọ sịrị olileanya dị ngọzi n'ime ọnọdụ niile.
I think CS is a good singer.
Nimona dwainile. Nimona dwainile. Onye muwiti robianyima. Nirwana dwainile. Nirwana dwainile. Nirwana dwainile. Ese bubidi robi mumma o. Nirwana dumnile. Nirwana dumnile. Nimona dwainile. Onye muwiti robianyima. Nimona dwainile. Nimona dwainile. Nimona dwainile. Thank you so much, Biafrans. We have won this game. Continue to voluntarily sit at home. May God bless the 80 million Biafrans. May God bless our Onyendu Namdekano. May God bless our Prime Minister, His Excellency Simon Ekpa. And may God bless the people of the United States of Biafra. Peace to all. We have won this game. Do not be moved. We have won this game. It's going to come sooner than we expect. Bye, everyone. Peace.
Thank you. And I know when she said, may God bless our PM, I know that 4 back people will be like, Oginkere, they play. All right, thank you, everyone. God bless you. Take care of yourself. I just want to share this with us because you can see it's a very nice, lovely message to encourage you, to inform you the stand of United States of Biafra and the appreciation from the government, the cabinet, and the DPM herself. See you again. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If you don't mind, share it to many platforms of your choice. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye for now. Bye.